Welcome to this year's Parade of Homes. Our home is the Excape. My name is Chuck Lopez with Lopez Construction and Design. It was just going to be a spec. I had built this house before on Orchard Mesa. We decided to put it in the Parade and just added a lot, dolled it up a lot more. And the fireplace is all done with large 24 by 24 porcelain. I did the waterfall granite in the kitchen, and it's double thick. And it was all mitered. It was a drop front instead of a laminated. We do a lot of this, upper end stuff. So I did a lot of LED lighting, up lighting in the dining room, kitchen, master bedroom tray. This is the first one I've done with square corner and more contemporary. So, and we did some unique stuff in the master bedroom. Did some wallpaper, which we haven't done for years. Really, it's a lot of our standard stuff. I think this round dining room ceiling detail for the chandelier plus the fireplace, because it's right here, I think that's going to be the big thing other than the fire pit outside, because it's definitely unique. It's got a one-piece 64-inch ring made out of one rock.